If bad credit is standing between you and your family's dream home, or the car that you've had your eyes on, then listen closely. With a few tested and proven strategies, you can rise from that pit of pathetic credit all the way up to the 700 Club in as short as 45 days. And Philly Credit Mechanic will show you how. Not only will Philly Credit Mechanic teach you these closely guarded secrets, but will also do all the heavy lifting so you can begin enjoying the quality of life that comes with having great credit. Whether you need a simple tune-up or a complete credit overhaul, Philly Credit Mechanic can do it all. Charge-offs, collections, late payments, repos, and even student loans are no match for the Philly Credit Mechanic. And we're so confident that if we can't help you improve your credit score within 6 months, then you pay absolutely nothing. So contact Philly Credit Mechanic today to trade in those rejection letters for the keys to your dreams. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain.